Hey everybody, welcome to Binary Motorsports. What I have today is a comparison between, let me back up, a graphics comparison between Assetto Corsa and Project Cars. Now, I'm by far not the not the first person to have done this, but these are probably the two most popular racing sims on Steam. iRacing, I would say, is probably the third, but iRacing is kind of in its own league. It's a lot more focused on online play, and it's also a lot more expensive once you start buying tracks and cars and so forth. So Assetto Corsa and Project Cars really are the two, I guess you could say, serious racing sims on the PC. So that's why I'm comparing these. Now what I did is I recorded in-car and then replay for each game. So I'm going to kind of intersperse the two, switch back and forth so you can see the graphical differences. I'm not going to throw in my 2 cents so that you can make up your own mind about the differences between the two and which one you like better. Also, in addition to graphics, pay attention to the sound because in my opinion the sound on one is most definitely better than the other. So let's get started. So, let me know what you think in the comments. Which one did you prefer as far as graphics, and which one did you prefer as far as sound goes? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.